Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We're out in Ontario. Haven't been out here forever. We'll start with Nike. They opened about 30 minutes ago. I know you need to get here early. But man, don't work out like that all the time. Of course, we're gonna start on the back wall where you get 30% off. I thought these were the Alpha Next percents. Nah, these are the Street Flies, meant for middle distance, regular price though. Dunk High 85s, 140 for those. I'm tripping. This place does things a little different. They put all the refurbs separately. So let's go see what's up here. Refurb section does tend to be one of my favorite areas. 65 for these, slightly imperfect for the Cocoonis. Air Max 97s, gently worn, go for $88. Jordan 37 lows, go for 88. Remember, you do get that extra 30 off. That is slightly imperfect. GT Jumps, go for 90, size 11. More 37 lows. These are 8.5, go for $88. Slightly imperfect. Aisha, these are 11.5, go for 55, gently worn. LeBron 19s. Why are these still $120? What the hell? These are size 10. Terminator highs right here. 68. A lot of suede. I haven't seen too many of those. What is this? J-Force ones. What the hell is this? What the hell? These are weird. It's like woven in, which is definitely interesting. It's like a collab or something. 85 for those, slightly imperfect. Monarch 65, slightly imperfect. Size 9. Infinity Run Flyknits right here. These are what, size 12? $80. It's a pretty solid price, especially with the 30 off on top. Luca 2s, $78 like new. Got Forces right here, 75 for those. And Infinity Run 4s here go for $80. Slightly imperfect, pretty solid price for those. Got people with carts and everything. Gotta be quick, I'm telling you, gotta be quick. Back to the regular clearance section right here. It's not too crowded, surprising. Do got Blazer, Sakai's right here. Regular price though. Even with that 30 off, we've seen these for like 100. We've seen like heavy discounts on these. Pegasus Trail 3 Gore-Tex right here, down to $70. That's not bad, especially with that 30 off. Witness 7, 65 for that interesting looking colorway. Size 11, 160. I'm all excited to be here because I haven't been here in a while. And then I remember like, dang dude, they throw everything for retail on the back wall, huh? God dang dude. I know this one is super packed. Usually like one of the, I think this is one of the top 3 packed Nike outlets out in LA, or in the LA area. 90 for these. These are size 11. Oh, maybe that Street Fly isn't marked. All the other ones are 120 for these. Are these even a men's? Jordan 1 Elevates are usually women's, no? Yeah, women's 12. Yep, size 12. Look at this. Got Metcon 8s. Go for $100. Right next door, the exact same thing. $65. Air Max 95s. I thought this was size 12. Apparently size 11. All right, regular price though, man. I was gonna say the only Jordan Retro size 12. No, it's a size freaking 15 in the size 12 section. Got one of these over here. 70 for the 10.5 right there. 9.5 in this area. Everything's mixed around, I guess. 81 for the 36 right there. Size 10 KD. 16s right here. Pretty decent colorway. Regular price though. 13s, $90 for these. 175 for Air Max 95s. Air Max 90 size 14s. Regular price. Infinity Run 4s. Pretty dope colorway. 140. 130, my bad. 130. Size, I don't know what size though. It's a smaller size. Size 14 mids right here, 125. Penny 2s, size 14, 105. That's a solid price, real solid price for that one. Not really seeing much for size 15s. Not really seeing anything for 15s. Wait, what was this? Regular price for the size 14s right there. And then back to the refurbished section. I did go through it one more time just to make sure I didn't miss nothing super interesting. Nah, not really. I didn't miss out on the smaller sizes. Do got Cosmic Unity 3s, going for 80 bucks. Another one of these going for 81. Size 9 Metcons, I guess 65 is the correct price for these. Weird colorway though, dude. Colors are everywhere. Zoom X Zagama. So I was like, which one has Zoom X? 100 bucks for those, size 9. Size 8 Unities. Cosmic Unities going for 80. Lasers going for 90. Price is just way high. Not much heat. I don't know. I did come at a not so great time. Air Max 90s right here. 90 bucks for these. All right, we're checking out Apparel. This is pissing me off, dude. Really? The only Niner jersey y'all gonna give us? I did forget to show you guys one of the jerseys that I did get for one of the homies. Appreciate you, Drum, for helping me out on a jersey that I've been wanting, especially in a size medium, because all my jerseys are large. Recently, the head size has changed, or the hole for the head. But the older ones, I can only fit a large because my head's too big. But the mediums now, I can fit my head through them, so the body area can fit a little bit better. But the only ones they've had are the Trey Lance lately. But my boy Drum, the hustler, did help me out, so I'll give you a shout out. I'll post it on Instagram, my bad, bro. But yeah, what the hell is this? FC Barcelona, I guess. FC Barcelona, these are going for $40. God damn, they want regular price for everything. What the hell? Canada shirt too? Whoa, that is crazy though. They did everything by color. It's not by size, everything's by color. I've never seen that before. In the black Nike trail shirts going for 20. I really have never been to a place where they arrange everything by color. $22 for that t-shirt right there. Into the hoodies. $80 for that hoodie. Man, it's like thin as hell, dude. Oh, tech fleece. We got some tech fleece right here. Women's tech fleece, $115. Like a little jacket right here. Extra small, $115. Yeah, not really seen much. Lakers shirt right here, $55 for that hoodie. It's a hoodie. Man, just dang, dude, prices ain't that great here. Why is this place always so packed? Pretty much just because it's at an outlet mall. And this mall is fire. They have a bunch of stores. I'm gonna shoot multiple videos from here because they got a bunch of stuff. But this Nike is pretty mediocre. I haven't found anything here in years, I want to say. Got two more of these clearance racks right here where you get 30% off. But 30% off regular price though. What the man? This is outrageous. Outrageous. And this is something that one of the nephews was actually looking for, one of the cargo pants. But it's gonna be regular price, which is kind of annoying. Oh, this is an XL. First of all, it's an XL, it's for kids. But at least there is somewhat of a sale, but yeah, that's not gonna work. That feels way too tall for that. PSG pants, I bet you these are a kid's as well. They don't, or is it a really short one? Oh, it's a small, that's why I was like, why is it so short? That is dope though. That's got PSG on it. Got Paris on the side with the Jumpman logo. Wait, they got this rack, it's just full of t-shirts. What's going on over here? Who's this? Who's this? Oh, Derrick Henry jersey. But yeah, regular price, not even stitched on. Not even stitched on, dude. It is an XL right there. Devin Booker for $120. We've been seeing this for hella cheap. At the discount stores also, got PG jerseys down to $80. More tech fleece. I guarantee you more regular price. Or just no tag on it whatsoever. One of the nice thicker hoodies, no tag on this one either. God dang, dude. Anything got a tag? At Southern University, $65. All right, we're going back to the sneakers. Gonna check out the aisles. Got some Dr. Dre on. As with most outlets, got plenty of team J's right here. I don't know what the hell these are. Max R2s. Got next gens for regular price, too high. Oh dang, some of the J's have like rows and rows of Team J's. Not here. Apparently these next gens have been here for a while, but they only have a size 10 and a size 11. That's it. What the hell? All right, that makes a little bit more sense. Take 1 2s right here. Zoom Freak 5s. I feel like we've been seeing these on sale everywhere, even the retail stores. Cosmic Unity 3s. This one comes with all kinds of extra dirt on it. Yeah, the Dr. Dre song on the radio. It's funny, just half of the words were bleeped out. Hilarious. All kind of witnesses. So many different colorways. Prices up and down. 170 for some. More next gens right here. What the hell? That one, isn't that the same one? More Zoom Freak 5s. All kinds of Zoom Freak 5s. Air Max 90s. 97s right here. Got Blazers right here. Blazer Jumbos. And of course Monarchs. I've been seeing too many Monarchs lately. Metcon 4s. Metcon 8s. I think that's about it for the men's. These have been on sale for a cool minute. Some of the Pegasus and the less desirable colorways. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's. At the women's refurbished section right here. That's a chunky midsole. Holy cow. They don't really get thicker than that. What the hell are these? Some sandals right here. $33 for those. What the hell? Got some all white Prestos right here. Go for $68. Slightly imperfect. Probably some yellowing. 2090s go for $75. Invincible Run Flyknits right here. These are slightly imperfect, but the price is amazing on these. These are what, 90 bucks? 90 bucks, that's what, $63 after the discount. I don't really see anything on these. I don't really see anything. It is imperfect, yeah. Man, $63. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these, and this is the latest model. Super comfortable. Too bad they don't have my size, damn it. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. A little less comfortable, but still not bad. Still not bad. The Clom slides that fell down. Damn, it's still trying to get regular price. I swear I felt an earthquake. I don't really hear anybody talking about it. It's pretty big. But yeah, Air Max 2090s. 75 bucks for those. Oh, they got another one right here. Size 9.5, size 8 men's. 90 bucks for these. This is gently worn. Colorway is fire on these. These are comfy as hell. Holy cow, that is fire. That's a dope find. Yeah, there was an earthquake. 11 miles away. 11 miles away. Okay. I'm glad this wasn't just in my head. I was like, I swear I felt something. All right, checking out the kids section now. Air Max 90s. Look at this. $55. Pretty decent colorway. Jordan 37s. Oh, that's all yellowed. How is that not slightly imperfect? That's yellow as hell. The top's not supposed to be that yellow. Oh, that's gross. $70 for those? What the hell? $50 for these. Size 4. Pennies going for $70. These are slightly imperfect 4Y. Got these regular price. Preschool right there. Got some Tatums right here. Going for $38. Checking the women's bigger sizes. See if there's anything crazy like some Invincible Run Flyknits. Like that would be kind of cool. Yeah, but you know, $80 for these. That's better than the men's at least. Right here, size 9.5 women's, 95 for the Golden Bullets. Air Max 90s down here. These are interesting. Regular price though. Size 12 women's. Not really see much in the regular sizes. Let me see if there's anything worth showing y'all in the women's aisles over here. If y'all need some boots, they do got some Woodside Checker 2s. Blazer mids. Extra long hair suede. Extra dirty as well. Blazer low platforms. Blazer mids. Got a couple of those right here. Some Roshis. Haven't seen these in a cool minute. Air Max Theas. Couple of Air Max 90s right next door. Got some Dunks. Dunks right here, women's Dunks. 30% off. $70 Infinity Run Flyknits. This one regular price. 270s. And got some J's, but regular price. Yeah, they want regular price, man. Biggest size on this is a size 10 women's. And then this one right here, pretty cool box. Biggest size they got on this is a size 7. All right, I think that's about it, you guys. Would go through more of the apparel. There's just not much interesting stuff right here. 85 for these, no extra discounts. Also got the white one as well. This one's pretty dope. The UCLA colors, MPLS colors too. Yeah, I know. But yeah, 85 for those. But that's about it, man. That's about it. Stay tuned. I got plenty of videos coming from this spot. This is one of the best malls around. Nike Outlet sucks, but it is one of the best sneaker malls. They got all kinds of stuff. Already got a line. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, man. Make sure you guys help away. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. I do throw tons and tons of videos out. We out, man. We out.